Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to apply OCI for adults. First, we need to open our web browser and write down here BSL India. I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can open directly through that link, BLS India. Now I click on this link. Welcome to India Visa Application Center, Canada. Here you can see Toronto, Ottawa, Vancouver. I click on Vancouver because it's near to me. Click on proceed. Here you can see OCI, journal information, how to apply, checklist. Click on journal information. If you want, you can read this information. And how to apply checklist. First we check our checklist, which documents we need. Click here. Here you can see checklist. For submission of OCI application, we need to submit this checklist with our documents. Online application form, surrender certificate, Indian passport both side, foreign citizenship certificate, Canadian foreign passport, marriage certificate, professional detail, proof of address, proof of legal status in Canada in case of non-Canadian passport holder. And these are two for minor, fee, photograph, self-declaration for surrender of Indian voter ID or ration card. If you had an Indian voter ID or ration card, you must fill this form and one self-declaration. I show you form. This is a form. Here you need to fill your reference number. Reference number you can fill CANV number when you fill your application. That time you can receive that number and fill here signature of OCI applicant, name and date. You need to submit this one with your documents. And after that, this one is not for your detail to be filled by the applicant, name to the applicant, CANV number. When you fill out the online application, you will see CANV number, BLS center location like Toronto, Edmonton, any which one is near to you, and date. And here you need to signature of the applicant. And for BSL official use only, not use this one. And if you want, you can read from here all the instructions. Now we go to how to apply. Click here, step 1, and click on this link, ociservices.gov.in. click here. Here you can see OCI online services. Welcome to OCI. Eligibility, if you want, you can read it. OCI registration. Click here to proceed. You have a user login ID, then you can click here and enter email ID and passport. Here I show you how to register. Please enter an active email ID because we receive one OTP. And here nationality, you enter here Canada, your present nationality, enter surname, given name, email ID, date of birth and mobile number. Here we need to enter this number and after that register. Create password, one time password OTP. You need to check this one in your active email ID and enter new password, confirm and submit. Password reset successfully. Enter your email ID, password and login. After login, if you want make changes in your profile, then you can make changes, and I already make changes and complete application. Now I click on online registration, new OCI, Indian origin applicant. OCI registration for India origin applicant, eligibility and documents requirement. Here you can see proof of present Canadianship, address proof, all these, and click on apply online. Applicants applying for OCI card, please read. You can read this. And after that we need to click here. I have read these instructions and proceed to OCI registration. Click here. Now we will start our application. Page 1. Are you applying for self or other family member? I select here self. Place of submission, I select Canada. You can pick from here. Mission Vancouver, Toronto, Ottawa. I pick here Vancouver because it's near to me. Applicant detail, surname, given name. Have you ever changed your name? If yes, click the box and give detail. If you change, then you have to give answer of these questions, otherwise you can leave. Gender, pick from in this drop down. Date of birth, country of birth, India. State of birth, Punjab. District of birth, Ludhiana. I pick here. You can pick according to your place of birth. Write down here manually. Current nationality, Canada, because we have now Canadian citizenship. National identification number, you can leave this one because asterisk mark column are mandatory. Visible mark, if you have, then you can write down here. I have no, then I write here no. Marital status, you can pick from here according to your status. Applicant passport detail, here you need to provide the detail of your Canadian passport, passport number, date of issue, date of expiry, place of issue, previous passport number. You can leave this column, this is not mandatory. Applicant family detail, father name, father nationality, father profession, mother name, mother nationality, mother profession. Sometime if your parents have passed away, you can simply enter the previous profession and nationality detail. This is not considered incorrect. You can give detail previously. Are you applying OCI based on Indian spouse? If you click on yes, then you have to give answer this question. I apply based on myself, so I click on no. Spouse name, nationality, you can click here and select. If your partner Canadian, then you need to select here Canada, otherwise you can pick here India. Profession, you can select from this drop down. Date of birth, marriage registration date, you can select from here. Spouse passport number, spouse passport issue date, these are not mandatory. Asterisk mark only mandatory. If you want leave, then you can leave this section. The relation with the root of India, select from here. I select here self. Spouse passport issue place, if you renew in Canada, then you can check the place of issue, otherwise you can select here India. Save and continue. OCI registration form 2. Occupation detail, occupation, select from here in this drop down. Employer address, you can enter your office or your company address here. Employer contact number, here you need to enter contact number. Address detail, here you need to enter your own present address, and here you need to enter zip code, area code, mobile number and telephone number is not mandatory. Now we need to save and continue. Click here. Photo sign upload. Here you can see dimension and pixel of photo, width and height, and applicant signature must be in JPEG or JPG format. And registration form page 2 saved. To upload applicant photo and applicant signature. Photo sign upload. Photo and signature successfully uploaded. I want to upload it again. Save and continue. If you want upload again, then you can, otherwise save and continue. Click here. Registration form part B. Here you need to read all the question very carefully and give answer according to your situation. All these question and answer here. Do you have relatives stay in India? If yes, then you can click on here, and otherwise you can click on no. I click on yes. And the name, present address, relation and age. If you have any other family member, then you can add, otherwise you can add one or you can leave. Have present nationality, accusation detail, applicant name, present nationality Canada, accusation method. You can select here by birth, registration, other and naturalization. I select here because I follow all the steps for my citizenship. And here we need to enter citizenship date, applicant name, previous nationality of applicant. I select India because I was born in India, and previous passport number. Save and continue. Here you need to enter your previous passport, like Indian passport number. Save and continue. Document upload. Registration form part B saved. Document re-upload limit is 5, after which our uploader is not allowed. Proof of present citizenship. Select from this drop down. Surrender Indian passport, copy of citizen, and copy of present valid passport. Like select from here, you can choose file and upload. Document file should be in PDF. If you want, you can make one PDF and you can upload together like this. Choose file, upload. Evidence of address, select like driving license, it should be in PDF file, and choose file and upload. All these like Indian passport, evidence of self or parents, and copy of like Indian passport, you can give this one. Select and choose file, it should be in PDF. In this way you can upload your documents and verification information. After that you verification and final submission. Here I show you about fee, application fee, service type, OCI card. Here you can see total amount $376, and you can read this note. This fees is not refundable or not transferable. And in person, 2 separate payments, and you can read this one. And you need for one for Consul Journal India Toronto, and one for BSL international service charges. And I already provide that link in my description box. You have to read these instructions very carefully, and after that you are ready to apply for OCI. I already make a one video for minor, and if you want you can watch. If you want to watch more videos related to form, please subscribe, like, share my channel. Thank you everyone.